संस्कृतभारती गोवा प्रस्तौति अनुशिक्षणम्। द्वादशी कक्षा व्याकरणपाठः प्रत्ययाः। प्रियछात्राः, हार्दं स्वागतम्। एतस्मिन् पाठे वयं टाप्, ङीप्, मतुप्, तल् एतेषां प्रत्ययानाम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः। Dear students, in this chapter we shall learn 4 pratyayas. They are tap, ङीप्, matup and tal. Agrimah pratyayah matup pratyayah. The next suffix is matup. Look at this sentence. Etat vakyam pashyantu. Bhavan Nitiman Asti. Here, the word Nitiman means the one having ethics. Here, Matup Pratyaya is added to the word Niti. By doing so, we get the word Nitimat. This word Nitimat takes the form Nitiman in Pullinga, that is masculine gender, and Nitimati in Strilinga, that is feminine gender. The word having this Matup Pratyaya acts as a Visheshana. Visheshana means adjective. Here, Nitiman is an adjective of Bhavan. So, here Nitiman is a masculine word. In the below sentence, Bhavati Nitimati Asti, Nitimati is a feminine word. Actually, this word Nitimati is attained by adding the previous pratyaya ङीप् to Nitimat. So, in the word Nitimati, there are 2 suffixes. One is matup and then ङीप्. In this sentence, Nitimati is an adjective of bhavati. So, it is a feminine word. Atra riktasthane purayantu. Complete these sentences. Marutihi dash asit. Here, Shakti plus matup gives us Shaktiman. So, Marutihi Shaktiman asit. Naraha vipatsu dash bhavet. Naraha vipatsu dhratiman bhavet. Ete vakye avalokyantu. Look at these sentences. Vidyavan janaha gauravam labhate. A person having education gets respect. Here, the word Vidyavan is attained by adding Matup Pratyay to Vidya. But please observe, in the word Vidyavan, unlike the previous example, Van is heard at the end. Instead of Man, we hear Van. In the same way, Charitravan Janaha Sarvottamaha Bhavati. Charitra plus Matup gives us Charitravan. If the original word like Vidya and Charitra are ending in A or A, and if we add Matup Pratyay to these words, then the word which is derived by doing so will sound as Vidyavan, not as Vidyaman. In the same way, it is Charitravan, not Charitraman. That is because Vidya is ending in A and Charitra is ending in A. Let us have a glance on both types of words. Dhana plus matup, dhanavan. Nishtha plus matup, nishthavan. Sadachara plus matup, sadacharavan. Kshaman. Kshama plus matup. Other side. Kirti plus matup, kirtiman. Buddhi plus matup, buddhiman. Mati plus matup, matiman. Kriti plus matup. Antimah pratyayah tal pratyayah. The last suffix is tal. This pratyay is used to create abstract nouns from adjectives. एतत् वाक्यं पठन्तु. Read this sentence. अग्नेः उष्णता शीतकाले रोचते. Here, the word ushnata, which means heat, is an abstract noun. Here, ushnata is derived by adding tal pratyay to an adjective ushna. In the same way, sujana plus tal sujanata, chanchala plus tal chanchalata, laghu plus tal. Let us complete these sentences. Vachane namra plus tal namrata bhavet. Vachane namrata bhavet. Tasya vishesha plus tal ka. Tasya visheshata shata ka. धन्यवादः. अग्रिमपाठे पुनर्मिलामः. Thank you, students. Let us meet in the next video.